Welcome to Profit Insights, where we navigate the intricate world of financial markets and economic trends. I'm Dusty, your guide to unraveling today's financial landscape with clarity and calm. Today is May 26, 2025, and as the week kicks off, we have a packed agenda, spotlighting surges, earnings, and global nuances. Let's dive into today's market activity, starting with some stellar news from India. The stock markets are positively buzzing. The Sensex shot up to close at an impressive 82,176, gaining over 455 points, while the Nifty 50 followed suit, crossing the milestone of 25,000. These gains are due to a cocktail of good news, including India's new standing as the fourth largest economy globally, the early onset of the monsoon season, a generous dividend from the Reserve Bank of India, and the welcome news of a delayed US-EU tariff implementation. Top performers today included giants like Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Motors, and Hindustan Unilever. Even more encouraging is that all NSE sectoral indices ended in the green, with auto, IT, and FMCG sectors leading the charge. This momentum sweetened the pot for investors, adding about 3 lakh crore to their wealth. Shifting gears to earnings announcements, a host of companies have revealed their Q4 results. Among the 221 companies, names like General Insurance Corp and Aurobindo Pharma stand out. Internationally, Hesai Group marked a big upturn with a 46.3% bump in revenues thanks to strong demand for their LiDAR solutions. On a broader economic stage, the IMF offered insights into New Zealand's economy, highlighting how tighter monetary policies have curbed inflation. Although growth dipped slightly last year, projections suggest a brighter outlook ahead. Meanwhile, across the Pacific, it's Memorial Day in the US, so no major data drops today. However, high-yield savings accounts continue to yield impressive returns, suggesting a steady rate environment in the near term. As the week progresses, we'll be keeping an eye on several key global metrics. The US will release GDP figures and inflation data, critical indicators of economic health and central bank strategies. From Europe to Latin America, inflation and GDP news are on the docket, shaping the global economic vista. For investors, these developments are part of a complex puzzle. Here are some tips. First, consider sectoral plays in high-growth areas like India's auto and IT sectors, which have shown resilience. Keep an eye on the pulse of New Zealand's changing economic currents. The easing policies might open up interesting opportunities. And for those looking at fixed-income options, US savings accounts remain a stable bet with no immediate rate cuts on the horizon. As always, navigate with a steady hand and informed perspective. And that's it for today's edition of Profit Insights. Thanks for tuning in as we sift through the signals and noise of the financial world. Remember, when the dust settles, only the truth remains. Until next time, take care.